Hi friends, for our math interactive journal page today, we're going to do our number 7 poem. Our number 7 poem is straight across and down from heaven. That is how you make a 7. So I'm going to turn to the next blank page in my journal and I'm going to get my glue out and I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot. I'm flipping it over on the back. And again, I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot, gluing in my 7 poem. Now I'm going to practice making my number 7. So I'm going to say the poem while I make it. Straight across, and then I'm diagonaling and down from heaven. That is how you make a 7. Now I'm going to practice the number word 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now I'm going to practice making my 7 tally marks. So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, and then remember for 5, I'm coming diagonal. 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to practice drawing 7 counters. So I'm going to do 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So remember 7, one way to make 7 is 5 and 2 more. Now, instead of putting in stickers today or cutting anything out, I'm going to use my crayon and I'm going to draw 7 objects. So I'm going to get a red crayon and I'm going to draw 7 hearts. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to go back and color in my 7 hearts neatly. So 4 and 3 is another way that I can show 7. Okay, friends. So again, you're going to glue in your 7 poem, write the number 7, the number word 7, make 7 tally marks, draw 7 counters, and then I decided to draw in hearts today, but you can cut out objects or use stickers too. Please remember to bring this back with you at the end of the day, and I will see you soon.